cutie.
Fluffy, 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 you're Fluffy.
We call her Morris.
Morris.
Oh, Morris is getting down.
Duchess, you be nice.
Duchess is finally getting used to a little kitty. Look at, oh, here's my handsome honey.
Hi.
Today is January 30th, and it is about 77 degrees. It is just a beautiful day out on the lake. Oh, and here is Karen and Kimmy coming home from school. Hello, Kimberly. Did you get your report card today?
Monday.
Monday, oh.
I got my first report card.
Oh, Karen got hers. Yay.
Come here, buddy. This is my doggy. Here, get it close up, Ma.
Let's see.
You see it?
Let's see if we can get the ending.
A, B, A.
Well, we can't make it out, but that's Karen's report card. Okay.
Miss Fishinger gave me a B in personal fitness, but I dress out every day. I don't know why she did that.
Hello, Kimberly.
I love you. I feel better.
Good.
Can you hear me?
We do. We hear you.
Shut up. Come here, come here. And this is my puppy dog.
There's Duchess.
I'm going to take pictures of you now.
Oh. Okay.
Sit down.
Do me a favor and run
Yeah.
me a gallon jug of ice out of the freezer.
And that is the photographer.
Hi, neighbors. This is sunny, beautiful Florida. Welcome to Florida, the land of sunshine.
And there is my handsome father.
We're going to have a nice cold one today. Doctor says that one beer a day will keep the doctor away.
Hopefully we don't have to go in.
Right.
And this is our nice bar that we got.
Oh, and there is the telephone.
And our telephone is right over there on the wall. And they hung up on us. Yeah. Look at the size of this thing. It weighs about 30 pounds. Here's a good
Oh, Dutchie.
Today